It's like I did a video before many time I did this video. Many time I did this video, alright? So basically let's put this aside. You know what I mean? We're gonna be drinking that when I finish. Alright? So I did this recipe in many occasions and many times. So I just decided to share this video back with you guys one more time. You know what I mean? Because I did it even yesterday. I did this video on my other YouTube channel. And I said I wanted to share with you on this platform where you guys can see exactly what Chef Ricardo normally do sometime in the kitchen if you're at home and you want to do something. Alright, this one is a weekend drink. Alright? So choose a weekend drink, your friend them come check you. You want to do something like this at home. I didn't even film it like before. And I like to just keep you guys update with this kind of recipe. Alright? So basically what you want to do, Susan, is just get your finger of ripe banana. This one right here. A finger of ripe banana. Put it straight inside of your blender. Just like this. I did quite a few recipes like this. And not only that, it is coming up to summer. Alright, and through it's coming up to summer, you know, a lot of people will be want to do a lot of things at home. Put some vanilla essence inside of it. Roughly about half teaspoon. Just a pinch, not half teaspoon. A pinch of the vanilla essence inside of it. Alright. Secondly, we're going to put some of the Jamaican Caribbean fusion sauce and spice season, all right, inside of it. This is the mix one, all right. Let's got to get it straight up, all right. The Caribbean fusion mixed spice, we're gonna put a little bit in it, all right. Just a little bit, not much. Don't put too much in it, all right. Yeah. So it's a recipe I did many times, you know what I mean. So I know a lot of people may be familiar with the recipe, but I like to keep you guys update. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some oats inside of it. Alright. Yeah, man, we're gonna put a little bit of oats. Roughly about quarter cups of oats. Inside. I just pour from the bag, guys. Eye measurement. Alright, then what we're going to do, we're going to put some Guinness inside of it like this. Alright, roughly about quarter can of Guinness. If you don't drink alcohol, you don't have to put the alcohol. Alright, just like, you know what I mean, a lot of people doesn't like the alcohol thing. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some nutriment inside of it. Alright, roughly about quarter cans of nutriment. And that's the vanilla flavor I'm using. Alright, and then we're gonna put some sweet condensed milk, roughly about 2 tablespoons of sweet condensed milk inside of it, alright? Beautiful one. So this is like a weekend drink. So if you're at home and you feel like you want to hang out in the backyard and jerk some chicken, this come in really handy for you, alright? Yeah. This come in really handy for you. Alright, then secondly, we want to put some molasses inside of it. Alright, roughly about half teaspoon of molasses, alright? I'm going to put roughly about half teaspoon of the molasses inside of it, because this is very good for the man them. And the ladies them can drink this one also, alright? It's not like something where it's just natural juice to boost up your immune system and build up your body. Alright, now we're going to put some vanilla inside of it, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Alright. And then we're gonna just go for the blender. Let's go for the blender now. Cover it up and give it a blend. Alright. Alright, so basically, as I can see, it's a little bit runny. So what you want to do, yeah, it's a little bit flaggy at the moment with the video, but I don't know, hopefully it come up better. Put a little bit more oats inside of it. Alright. Yeah man, put a little bit more oats in it. And then we're gonna blend it again. Lovely. All right. Lovely and nice. Alright, so as I say, it's a weekend drink. Get your glass, and then, to be honest, I don't need to check it again because I know. Look at that. 100%, guys. Beautiful and an amazing. Alright, then this is the molasses spoon. Just finish up the molasses spoon inside of it. Look at that. So this is just beautiful and nice. Could I have a tiny little bit more body, but it's still perfect because it will get thick up because it's oats. Alright, got a lot of oats in it. So oats kind of take time, suck up liquid. Alright, so it's a beautiful drink. And this is exactly what's going on the weekend. Alright, weekend drink. So stay tuned with Chef Ricardo. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. So if you're on the weekend and you hang out with your friend then this is something where you can definitely make at home this weekend. Alright, so if you like the recipe, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook, my Instagram page, and also on my website, chefricardo.co.uk. Check out my website, guys, and you know what I mean, so if you see anything over there where you like, you can check out my website. Alright, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned in because we have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be definitely coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Beautiful drink to have on the weekend when you hang out in the back garden. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in the kitchen with some more beautiful and fantastic recipes like these. I did this recipe before, and you know what I mean, I like to just keep tweaking up it bits by bits. Alright, but as you can see, it's a beautiful recipe and hopefully you guys will love it. Alright, so subscribe is very important, and you know what I mean, leave your comments also is also very important. I want to say thank you guys for watching and stay tuned. Alright, Susan, big up yourself. Thank you so much. No, Sandra, Susan, yeah, thank you so much for coming on the show. Really appreciate it 100%. Thank you so much. Alright, beautiful one, and I will definitely see you guys with another updated version of the video. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in on my Facebook audience. Follow me on my YouTube channel, and I mostly can see on my YouTube channel because Facebook, I don't know how to use it. I don't know nothing about this Facebook thing. I need to start learn how to use Facebook. Alright, because you can see who are comments and who are talk. And that's the only thing I don't like with this thing. Alright, but anyway guys, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned in, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.